You got to introduce the product and then you say what it does. Okay, pretty simple formula. Introduce the product, the collar product that never stops tracking your dog. That's what it does. That's the big thing. Okay, big benefit, never ever stops. Implied, you'll never lose your dog. And this is a great product, by the way. So that's headline number one. I use that heaps. Headline two, value creation coupled with the big objection that the customer has in their mind about that value being created. Okay, so the site you want, the website you want, without the development time. So you can get the value created is you get the website, but then the customer goes, but I'll have to do all the coding and I'll have to do all the other stuff that goes along with it. That's the objection they instantly have. Well, no, you won't, because it's without the development time. Okay, so that's how you structure those. Big thing you're going to get, coupled with reason that we overcome your first big objection. First big objection, we deal with that immediately. Okay, that's embedded into the headline. Very, very good way of doing things, especially if you've got a product that's got a very, very obvious objection in the mind of the customer. Next, define the outcome that the customer will have as a result of using your thing and explain to them how we help them get that outcome, like how we did that for them. So grow your newsletter. That's how you're going to do it. That's your big outcome. And you're going to do that with personalized messaging. Okay, that's how that works. So here's what you're going to get. Here's how we're going to help you get that. Here's the path to that. And this is a logic-based headline. Here's what you'll get. Here's how we're going to get it to you. Okay, something very, very specific. Here's the thing very, very specifically you're going to get. And here's the big news about that. Here's the big thing about that. So learn Spanish without even trying. Learn Spanish, but you don't really have to try. Like, we're just going to, this thing will do it in such a way it's easy for you. Anytime you can make something easy for people, that's a big thing. Okay, so something where people immediately assume lots of effort is required, instant, objection in their head. Oh, it takes forever to learn Spanish. Well, actually, you can do it without trying. Big, big hook. Okay, very, very clever. So that's all of them. I'm just going to show you again because I'm going to give you two little tests. So first one, introduce the product, say what it does. Next one, value creation. So this is the thing that you get. And here's the reason, because we know you've got this objection. Here's how we overcome that for you. Define the big outcome. Here's what you want to do. That's the big outcome for you. And here's how this thing does that thing for you. Something really specific that they're trying to achieve with a big hook about getting it, about attaining that. Okay, they're the four things. So here is a very, very clever $250 million company, Weight Watchers. This is their homepage. Okay, so what formula is this? Lose weight and gain healthy habits. That's their headline formula. Is it be specific and add your hook? Is it define the outcome, explain what creates the outcome? Is it the value creation, tackling the big objection? Or have we introduced the product and saying what it does? Here's it again. Lose weight and gain healthy habits. Number three, define the outcome. Lose weight. Explain what actually creates the outcome. You're going to do that by getting healthy habits. Okay, or it depends. Yes, indeed, Mr. King. So that's the first one. This is proactive. I told you about them just a second ago. Guthy-Renker, huge business selling goop in goop outlet containers to help people with spotty skin. Get clear skin that stays clear. That's the headline. Get clear skin that stays clear. Is it? Be specific. Add your hook. Define the outcome. explain what creates the outcome, big value creation, along with the big objection being dealt with. Here's the product. Here's what it does. Get clear skin that stays clear. Get clear skin that stays clear. Number 4 is the answer to that. Okay, so you can use those and use them to create emails, create landing pages, create Facebook advertisements. Also works for things like Google Ads, things like that. Anytime you've got a very, very limited amount of space to get your message across, these kind of headlines work really, really well. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. $50 million, holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video.